Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have, well, it's kind of an unboxing here. The shipping box is way too big, as you can imagine, seeing how big this box is here. So let's open it up and check it out. This watch is in on loan. Okay. All right, not so easy to open. I'm not sure what's going on here. Have a strong hinge to it, I guess. Okay, so very cool. It's a watch from Delma. This watch is in on loan, as I mentioned. Nice box. This reminds me of an Omega box. So, very nice box. So yeah, let's check this thing out. It has, I believe this is a diving scale. I don't exactly know how that works on the dial, but I know it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think of this watch here. Definitely feels nice and solid. Have the, I guess we'll call it like a presidential style bracelet. Polished center links, brushed clasp, dual pushers, milled clasp. Feels very nice and solid. Oh, let's look at the movement in the back there. Let's zoom in here. Let's set this off to the side. Maybe over there. A nice looking movement in there. I'm going to guess that's a Swiss movement. I believe this is a Swiss made watch. Yeah, right there. It says Swiss made. So actually I have not heard of this brand before. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. If you have, let me know in the comment section. And it has a crown logo. That's pretty cool. Meters, feet. I don't know, I'll have to do a little bit more research on this scale. I really don't know how to use that. Okay, let's zoom back out here, take another look at the watch here. Nice 120 click bezel here. Definitely looks to be vintage inspired. I think we're lining up there. Helium escape valve. See, what does this say for water resistance? 50 ATM. Oh, so that's 500 meter. I was thinking 50 meters, 500 meters. So yeah, so that makes sense with the helium escape valve. And let's see, here's the model number. I'm going to pause that and write it down there. So it's like it says 41701.670.6.034. And right there, HE, that's the helium escape valve. And then again, 500 meter. So yeah, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. I'll get this sized up and spend a little bit of time with it, maybe. Let's see if it's screw links. Please be screw links. I don't know. Might be push pins. As long as it's not pin and collar. Yeah, it looks like it's push pins, so it shouldn't be a big deal to size it. Okay, anyway, let me get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. Today I've been wearing the Tudor Black Bay 58 39 millimeter watch. This one's a bit larger than that. It's a real nice box. So there we go on my 6.5 inch wrist, the 52 millimeter wristband. I'm gonna guess this guy is close to 50 maybe, and then it does have the male center links. So on the bracelet, the lug to lug is even farther out. But yeah, cool looking watch, and I'm looking forward to spending some time with this one here. And I'm sure that's the screw down crown. Nice signed screw down crown with the crown logo there. Crown on the crown. I hear you like crowns. So anyway, that will conclude this video. Oh, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really helps me out. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.